Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a forward focus door. First, gather your essential tools like a Torx bit set and a trim removal tool. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Next, carefully remove the interior trim panels. This step is crucial for accessing the hidden wiring and bolts. Finally, lower the window glass completely. This provides much better access to the door's internal components, making the next steps significantly easier. Now, let's move on to detaching the door's various components. Begin by unplugging all electrical connectors that power the door's functions, such as windows and locks. Next, locate and remove the door check strap bolt, which is usually a 13mm bolt. Carefully detach the main wiring harness from the vehicle's body. Finally, loosen the two bolts on each door hinge that connect the door to the frame, but do not remove them yet. With the electrical and check strap disconnected, it's time to fully unbolt the door hinges. Use a suitable socket wrench to carefully remove the remaining hinge bolts. It is absolutely critical to ensure the door is securely supported before you remove the very last bolts. Pay close attention to the exact position of any shims. This ensures precise reinstallation later. Having a second person ready to assist in supporting the door's weight is highly recommended for safety and ease. With all bolts completely removed and the door supported, you can now carefully lift the door away from the vehicle. This step often requires two people due to the door's weight and awkward size. Once removed, store the door in a safe, padded location to prevent any accidental damage. Take a moment to inspect the door frame and hinges for any signs of wear or damage. If necessary, consider replacing worn hinge pins or bushings for optimal long-term function.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.